Can you tell? What event do you see in these pictures? In these pictures, we see earthquake, drought, flood, fire, storm, volcanic eruption. What would you have done in these situations? In these situations, I would have tried to save my life. Have you experienced such a situation yourself? Here, students, your answer may vary. It may be yes, it may be no. Why do these events occur? These events are disasters, and some occur naturally and some are man-made. According to you, what can be done to deal with such a disaster? To deal with such a disaster, take help of some elders or ask for help immediately. Be alert and use first aid. Get some immediate aid even before medical treatment becomes available. Disaster. What is a disaster? A sudden event that causes large-scale damage to life, property, and social aspects of a nation or society is called a disaster. What disaster can occur in school or on the way to school? Disasters that can occur in school: fire in the school building, experience tremors of earthquake, school building collapses, slab in one of the classroom collapses, getting injured while playing, getting an electric shock. Disasters that can occur on the way to school: you meet with an accident while crossing the road, or school bus meets with an accident, area near school gets flooded. Disasters are of two main kinds: man-made and natural. Classify the following disasters as man-made or natural: fire, earthquake, leakage of chemical gases, storms, floods, tsunami, bomb explosion, collapse of a building, war, forest fire. Man-made disasters are fire, leakage of a chemical gases, bomb explosion, collapse of a building, war, forest fire. Natural disasters are earthquake, storms, floods, tsunami, forest fire. Earthquakes. Movements in the interior of the earth release tremendous amount of energy. This causes seismic waves leading to movements of the earth's surface like tremors, shaking, cracking up, etc. Such vibrations or quaking in the earth's crust is known as an earthquake. It is believed that besides other causes, man-made causes like mining and construction of big dams can also lead to earthquakes. Effect of earthquakes: destruction of infrastructure, that is buildings, bridges, roads, railway tracks, etc. Change in the direction of flow of rivers, huge loss of life and property. Floods: a frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world is floods. Due to excessive rains in the same place, a river overflows its banks, causing a flood. The water drainage system in big cities falls short when there is a heavy rainfall, resulting in choking of gutters and drainage lines. Water overflows onto the roads and surrounding areas and even enters nearby houses. Effects of floods: huge loss of life and property, soil erosion, destruction of standing crops. After effects of floods, like spread of diseases and epidemics affecting the health of people. Storms: the formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere causes changes in the weather, resulting in strong winds or storms. Effects of storms: great damage in the storm affected region, tremendous losses to life and property, disruption of electric supply, disruption of transport and communication. Forest fires: a forest fire is an uncontrolled fire in a forest, pastures, or grassland due to natural or man-made causes. Forest fires spread at a tremendous speed. Effects of forest fires: great damage to natural wealth and biodiversity, pollution of air. Can you tell how many children are there in your class at present? There are 50 children in my class at present. What would happen if 5 times this number sat in your class? If 5 times this number sat in my class, the classroom would be crowded. There will be utter chaos. Which kind of disaster can occur in an extremely crowded places? In an extremely crowded place, there can be panic in the classroom, stampede while going out of the classroom, breathless among fellow students. Disaster management: community participation and disaster management are closely related. Taking steps to prevent disasters, making plans to face disasters, and developing the capacity for that is called disaster management. To prevent or reduce damage caused by natural or man-made disasters, emergency planning and management is required. Institutes at work: the National Disaster Management Authority was established in 2005. It undertakes planning and implementation of disaster management work. During a disaster, helping and supporting each other is our moral responsibility. Contact them for disaster management. Police 100, Fire Brigade 101, Ambulance 102, Disaster Management Cell 108.